Import invoices. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import invoices in bulk into Zoho Books quickly and accurately. This feature is especially useful when you are moving from another accounting system or need to upload multiple invoices at once, saving you time and effort. By the end of this video, you will know how to upload hundreds of invoices in just a few clicks, keeping your accounting data organized and up to date. Let's discuss how to import invoices. You can go to Sales module, select Invoices, click these three dots. You can select Import Invoices. Here you can click this Choose File and you can select the Import File. If you want, you can sample file, if you can download sample file, and you can copy and paste required details to sample file and upload to the system. There are two file methods, CSV file and XLS file. I'll download sample XLS file. Here you can view that sample file, and there are two sheets. First one data, that some data need to import to the system, and second sheet for explanation, that all the explanation there, customer name, name of the customer whom to the invoice is created, and field capacity or number of digits should in the invoice customer name is there. So like that, all the explanation available in the second sheet. In the first sheet, you can enter required details. Here, customer name, invoice number, if in purchase order there, purchase order number, invoice date, then payment terms label, invoice status, quantity, like that. These details you can fill and import to the system. So these all the field not required columns you can select and upload. So these work, play, payments for those required columns not required. So you can fill required columns and import to the system. So customer name, invoice number, purchase order number, invoice date, then invoice status, currency, those details you can copy and paste to this Excel sheet and you can import. And when you are importing your invoices, either you can download this sample file or you can export existing invoices, and you can fill the required data to that file and you can import. So here you can select, so these are by default values you can select, and you can select the file format. The invoice module, you can select all status or draft, invoices, pending, unpaid, those status, and you can select a particular date range and you can download, and you can select the export file format. I'll select XLS and I'll export. So this is the my existing invoices. For demo purpose, I'll copy particular invoice. I'll copy this first one and I'll paste here. After that, I'll delete this and I'll change the date. I'll change the invoice number. I have invoices up to 15, therefore I enter invoice number 16. So this invoice ID not required. Same data. Now I'll save this and I can import. So that's another important thing. You can select the date format. And I'll save. We will discuss later. Right. So now again I'll go to invoices and click these three dots and import invoices. Choose file. I'll select my file. After that, I can click next and import the file. So there are few options in auto generate, link invoices to correct corresponding sales order and the customer's address. These are not required. So if you are now here, I have given the invoice number. So therefore, I don't want auto generate invoice number. Therefore, I didn't take this. If you are not entering the invoice number, you can use this option, auto generate invoice number option. Next, I click next button. So right now in this screen we have to map Zoho Books fields and import file headers. Now these are Zoho Books field and these are the import headers. So here you need to map Zoho Books fields and import file headers. So here invoice number, this is Zoho Books field. This is invoice number is that Excel file or import file header. So like that. Now invoice date you have mapped. So like that you can map the field. Here there are several fields. So red color ones it's compulsory. Other fields not much required. So like that you can map. Next important thing is date format. Now here system has displayed year, month, date in my Excel load. So it's year, month, date. So if it is a different format in your Excel, you need to map the correct format. Now if you are regularly importing invoices, you can check this, save this selection for use during future import. After that you can click next. Now here if there's any error, it will display here no records, number of records skipped 1. So due date column is either incorrect or not expected value. We'll check that. Okay, now I'll copy the same. Again go to invoices and click these three dots, import invoices, choose file, click next. Right, now you can see invoices that are ready to import 1. So skipped is 0. There are 40 unmapped fields, so those are not required, therefore I didn't map. After that you can click import. Now you can see one of one invoices included. So we will check that. Now you can see number 16 is imported. Like that you can import your file. Now here total is 5,000. We'll check that. Total is 5,000. Like that you can import your invoices. In next videos we will discuss other important features or other important things you need to consider when import your invoices.